It was really fun.
Just like different from any other camp, and it just helps you learn so much.
It's really helped me like with building characters and environments for a slice.
I honestly loved everything, but the thing I mostly loved was probably doing the scripts and then on camera, and watching myself was pretty fun.
It was fun meeting new friends.
Teachers, they were really nice, and then we played like a ton of improvising games.
I think I have grown because before I was kind of just like halfway acting, but now I'm really like real life acting. I'm more in the slice of life than before.
I'm super excited for the future.
It was great. I loved it so much.